Here we go, question C and D. Question C, 8 a cubed b to the 6th, all raised to the power of 1/3. With these questions, what I'd like to do is, if I recognize and can see that I have some kind of fractional exponent and that the exponents within the question are multiples that would work well with that fraction, then I want to try and make them all look that way. So I need to change this 8 into, well, in this case, 8 is 2 times 2 times 2, which is 2 cubed. A cubed b to the 6th, all raised to the power of 1/3. So all I did was change that 8 to 2 cubed. Now, powers to a power, if you remember, what do? Power to a power, you multiply in. So I multiply this here, here, and here. So this becomes 2 to the power of 3 times 1/3. 3 times 1/3, which is 3 over 1, becomes 3 over 3, which is just 1, so it's 2. A to the power of 3 times 1/3, again, 3 times 1/3 is just 1, so there's a tiny little 1 here I don't write it here either. And then b to the power of 6 times 1/3, well, this is 6 over 1 times 1/3, which becomes 6 over 3, which reduces to 2b squared. And of course I would never write these 1s, so I'm just going to quickly erase them. Whoops, erased by 2. And here is my reduced final answer, simplified final answer. Question D. Oh, I'm not lucky this time around, so now I have to use my rules, remembering that same base. When I multiply, I add the exponents, 3 over 2 plus 1 over 2, so this becomes x to the power of 3 over 2 plus 1 over 2 times y to the power of 2 plus negative 1. Well, 3 over 2 plus 1 over 2 becomes 4 over 2. Y to the power of 2 plus negative 1 is just 1, and 4 over 2 reduces to 2. So I have x squared y as my final answer. There's those examples, C and D, 2 quick and easy ones. Last video for questions E and F. Take a minute though and see how well you can do in playing with questions E and F. Take a minute right now, give it a whirl, come back and watch the videos to finish off.